welcome back. Abhi we bunked come. We all called in, and now we are in Truro Mall. Don't know what we're doing here, but I got myself this. अभी हम निकले थे काम पे जाने के लिए, but it was taking longer than usual क्योंकि there was like traffic or something. And रास्ते में we were all like काम पे नहीं जाते, and everyone agreed. So that's how we ended up here. Yay! Helicopter, helicopter.
Huh? A little later.
Hello, welcome back. So next part is Victoria Parks or Falls. यहाँ पे we were expecting a little bigger falls. अब वो पीछे गया. Sorry, I'm filming later. Filming. I'm a little because I'm cold.
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा.
But there was a little added thing. There was the falls which seemed artificial, but it was pretty. We had nice pictures. Snow. अगर अपने पास gloves होते, we would have built a snowman. Would you build a snowman? Outfit check. And it's going back. And it's cold. Oh, I did my nails, girl. I did my nails like after 2 weeks. No, sorry, 2 months. Because I was trying to grow them out, but it didn't. सामने कोई दिख गया तो I abruptly stopped, but that's all I have to say for now. Look at my earrings. And a ring. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye. And Truro is like so chota, there's legit nothing to do, so we left like super early. We're back in Halifax for good food. Okay. Officially, we're locked out. Let me show.
What follows is a brief construction montage.
Hello, welcome back. This is kind of part 2 of the day. So सुबह hangout करने के बाद we have planned for रात का. We have a birthday party to attend, so get ready with me. So first off, what I'm going to do is ignore the dress up. So here's the thing. First off, we're going to do the hair, and then we're going to do the outfit. I think. We'll see. First off, we'll do the hair at least. And I did my mani. And I did my petty. I'll show you that later. I'm sorry if my voice is a little distorted. I'm just gonna plug it here while I do my hair. Update. So I'm almost done. I did cut off between my क्योंकि it was getting hard. So I have two pieces from the top left. But this is what we're working with, and I like it. Some leave-in conditioner. Okay, I think that's the final hair. I'll see you soon with the makeup and the hair. Bye. Hello. So this is part two. So this is part two ka part two where we get ready. So this is the dress. I don't know how to show you. You know what? I'll show you. So it has a little bubble skirt. Niche. Okay, this is the outfit, but the thing is, the straps are too loose. So I have a fix. If you watch the previous Mera Ghumne Wala vlog, you know what I'm going to do with it. We have sweetheart neck first off, and secondly, it's tight. It's not gonna fit anywhere. Yeah, life hack. So next is gonna be my face. Gotta fix these. Hazar baar to kya chukki I think, but that's okay. I'm just a girl. First thing I'm gonna do is oh gee, sunscreen. I cannot go without this. Okay, मैं उधर देखूँ क्योंकि मेरा मिरर उधर by the way. Compact. That's good. Yeah. Okay, for the lip, we're gonna cook. First off, I'm gonna put this random Claire ka lip balm. This is from Claire, itna I know. कौन सा है वो I don't know because I don't know. But it's pretty moisturizing. I love it. Layer 1. Use this random eyeliner pencil because I lost my lip liner somewhere. I'll apply this random lip tint I got from Arden for sale pay and I love it. So yeah. Love. Okay, I also have this highlighter from Swiss Beauty जो मेरे को इंडिया में collab में मिला था and I love it. I'm gonna apply it. Okay, finally all the products. Last product is gonna be my compact. With all that makeup, you must thinking, अरे इसका तो हो गया होगा, but no. I'm just a girl. I'm gonna put more makeup. I'll use this lip gloss as a blush. Okay, with that, my face guard is done. I love it. I do like how simple and plain this is, but I do not at the same time. Bubble braids. That's the easiest tutorial for bubble braids. Just the process. But that's the process now. You're trusting it. Okay. I think I like it. I'm going to do it on the other side. Guys, I love it. I love how cute it looks, and these bubble braids match the bubble skirt, which I think you cannot see your baby. It looks so cute. Okay, it's time to accessories. I have to choose rings, earrings, belt, and a chain. Let's choose. Yeah, for the neck piece, I'm just going with this little very minimalistic chain. इसका charm I just put it out क्योंकि वो गिर जा था. And for the earring stack, I have these. This is the earring, like a little hoop. That's the earring. Moment. Earrings are done. Rings. These are the ring options I have. Out of these, I'll show you the coolest one pehle. I love this so much. Or do I? I think I'll take the chain off. So this is the final look. I'll show you a little detailed look later. But thank you so much for watching. That was it for today's vlog. Hope you liked it. If you liked, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye. I know I said bye like that, so bye.
12 o'clock midnight.